Welcome back, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the specs of Yamaha's exciting new addition to the sport bike world, the 2025 Yamaha R9 GYTR. This bike blends Yamaha's racing heritage with cutting-edge technology, packing in performance and agility that truly pushes boundaries. Let's explore what makes this machine a force on both the street and track. At the heart of the R9 GYTR is a high-performance, 890 cubic centimeters 4-stroke, liquid-cooled engine. This inline, 3-cylinder setup features Yamaha's DOHC configuration with 4 valves per cylinder, maximizing airflow and efficiency. The result? A thrilling 119 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and torque that peaks at 93 Nm at 7,000 RPM. With an 11.5:1 compression ratio and fuel injection, this engine is built to roar while delivering precision power at any speed. Yamaha pairs the R9's powerful engine with a 6-speed transmission and a multi-disc, wet clutch. This setup provides smoother shifts and allows riders to harness the bike's power seamlessly. Power transfers to the rear wheel through an O-ring chain, combining efficiency with the reliability needed for aggressive rides. Moving to the chassis, the R9 GYTR features Yamaha's aluminum diamond frame, a lightweight yet strong design that improves handling. Up front, a 43mm KYB fork offers 120mm of travel, while the KYB central rear shock absorber provides 118mm of stroke for stability and comfort, even on rougher roads. Braking is top-notch on the R9 GYTR. It's equipped with dual 320mm front discs, supported by 4-piston calipers for enhanced stopping power. The rear is fitted with a 220mm disc and a single-piston caliper, ensuring well-balanced braking performance. For grip, the R9 comes equipped with 120/70/17 tires up front and 180/55/17 tires in the rear. These tire specs offer the right mix of grip, durability, and handling precision. The R9 GYTR is as compact as it is powerful, with a total length of 2,070mm, width of 705mm, and height of 1,180mm. Its seat sits at an accessible 830mm, and the bike has a wheelbase of 1,420mm. At 195 kilograms, fully loaded with liquids, it strikes a balance between stability and agility. Plus, a 14-liter fuel tank means you can ride longer before needing to refuel. The bike also equipped with cornering ABS for enhanced control in turns, adjustable traction control, wheelie control, slide control, and brake slide control. And for seamless acceleration, there's a quick shifter, making gear changes faster and more precise. In conclusion, with its race-inspired design and state-of-the-art features, the 2025 Yamaha R9 GYTR is built for riders who demand high performance and ultimate control. From its powerful engine to its advanced electronics, this bike has it all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.